Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today is a card making video where I'm going to show you how to make a whole bunch of masculine cards all at once. Stick around. Alright, so the first thing I did is I went over to Pinterest, and please follow me if you're not already, Straw-Bearie or StrawBearieJett. And I went to my paper crafts board, and I have this one here that's a 6x6 one-sheet wonder from spteacherspet.blogspot.com. And I used her measurements to cut out some paper. Now, the paper that I used is from a pack called Outfitters from Pink Paisley. And this pack has a lot of really outdoorsy, camping type of papers in it. And I purposely did not use any of those. I used the more simple plaids so that it would be more of a neutral type of background for my cards that could be used for masculine or feminine cards. I like to have cards that on hand that I can use in a hurry and in a pinch for different people. And sometimes my husband will ask me for some cards and I won't have any that will work for his buddy guy friends at work or something. So then I take the paper that I've cut out and I lay it out on my different cards, and I don't really follow all the instructions exactly right, but I take the different squares of paper that I have and I set them out on all my different cards and place them. And then I made some happy birthday messages. You could use happy birthday, you could make a few thank you cards or get well cards with a neutral paper background, masculine or feminine, any saying that you want. So I just heat embossed some birthday messages, added some liquid pearls on them and some baker's twine. And I did that for several of the cards. So again, just the paper piecing. When I did this kind of assembly line style, and you can probably see better on one of the lighter cards, but I did go through and I inked the edges of all the pieces of paper before I set them out. Now these two, you can kind of see they are the opposite of each other. This piece would fit here, and this piece would fit there. But I thought they looked better with the plaid at the bottom and the greening at the top. For this one, I used all the little tiny scraps that I seem to have left over and just put them all together. And I heat embossed a gold happy birthday and added a gold cord right here. Now, the next couple, there was actually a page in the paper pack that had just little squares and little sayings. So that's where this saying came from. So it says, find your true north. So that could be used for, you know, just any day type of card. And this one says, get outside, enjoy the view, and always paddle your own canoe. Another saying that came with the pack. And this one says, get lost with me. So I thought that one was kind of cute. And then I decided some of them I wanted to be just a little bit cuter. So what I did is I always have stamps that I like that I've just stamped out on paper or on watercolor paper, depending on how I'm going to color them. And I keep them with me, and I take them on trips, and I color in the car, or I color on the couch, or I color when I'm waiting someplace. And I took a couple of the dogs that I had colored and just added them to this. So I think he's really cute. He's based off of my dog Scout. And this dog is based off of my dog Ranger. And this dog is based off of my dog Squeaky. And those are all my cards. Let me just kind of show them to you one more time right now. And here they are. I hope that you enjoyed watching this. If you decide that you want to make a whole batch of cards, try using that one sheet wonder method. It really is kind of quick and easy. And if you want me to show you in more detail how to do it, just let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video like that. Thank you so much for watching this batch of masculine cards that I've made. And please, if you like this video, show me the love by giving me that thumbs up and subscribe and tell your friends. And until next time, have a great day and crafting away.